All right, stats. Sorry, I got to make a video here quick for you on my phone. Folks, this is just a reminder. I have sent you an email already about this 2 days ago about your hypothesis testing quiz. We were supposed to take this quiz March 16th. Instead, I'm going to give you this quiz 3 weeks after that. This upcoming Monday, April 6th, I'm going to email you this quiz at noon. As the email says, you will email me back your work by 9 p.m. What you're going to do is you're just going to write the questions down and your work and the answer. Again, there's going to be a lot of work required, or else I'm not going to give you credit for it, okay? I need to see a lot of work shown. What I mean by a lot of work shown is all this work that I would put in a working with you in class, a bunch of work. If not, I'm going to think you got it from somebody or online, and you're just not going to get credit for it, okay? So it is over this right here. Again, this video has been made. I even printed this out for you, selected answers. Just want to go through. There are a few questions I might not ask because they require you to definitely have a TI-84 to pump those numbers in so you can get sample mean and sample standard deviation. I will not give you those. I will say, though, if you do not have either the TI-84 or that other calculator, a good calculator at home to use, Scientific One, simply go here to your apps, and what I have here, this calculator app right here, is a sweet scientific calculator. All right, and it can do anything. You know, it's got square roots. It's got everything. It does have ads, and sometimes the ads like pop up at the bottom. You got to click X out. Anyway, I've used this before if I forgot my calculator at home. All right, so there you go. Number one would be a question I could definitely ask. Again, I emailed you also links right there at the bottom. I emailed you links for a T table and a Z table. So in this quiz review here, number one is definitely one I can ask. Easy peasy. Number two is definitely one I can ask. If you don't have a formula sheet, I'll show you the video of a formula sheet. The formula sheet I have in my possession here. Number three would be one. You don't have to type anything in your calculator. Number four would be another question I could ask, definitely for sure. Number five, I've give you everything you need to know. I can ask five. Number six, I give you everything you need to know. I could ask six. Really, they're looking like I could all ask them. Again, you should already have this filled out. We should have done this together. I could ask seven. I could ask here number eight. I could ask number nine. Number 10, I could also ask. Again, this video has been made. You have this. Should have these answered. All right. Again, folks, this is a salute class. I can ask 11. I can give you grades. Things are due on time. If it's not turned on time, it will be either marked big time, a lot of points taken off, or it could be zero, folks. Again, your college classes are still in session. Those due dates are firm. Here's number 13. I could ask 13. I could ask 12. I don't know if I said that. I could ask 14. So really haven't had to type anything into the old calculator. Aha, we're getting close to one here. I could ask 15. I could give you 15. I will not ask you 16. Got it? I will not ask you one with 16 where you have to type something in and find a standard deviation and mean, a sample standard deviation and mean. I will not ask 16. Number 17, though, I could ask. And number 18, I could also ask. Okay, and finally, number 19, good to go. I can ask number 19, and then I can ask number 20 as well. All right, so folks, the formulas that you might need to use right here, you should have this. You might have this. If you don't, here, write this down real quick. For confidence intervals, anything dealing with the mean, could have that formula number one, that formula number two, that other formula number two. Pause this whenever you need it. That formula number three. That formula number four. This formula number five. this formula number 6, P sub O, means the what you're testing against. You know what they say. They claim it's 60%. P sub 0. P naught, if you will. And then, okay, so formula 5 is the same thing. Sample size less than 30. It's all about T. Sample size greater than 30. 30 or more, you can use Z. What we got here, here's formula 7. T. This is the difference between two means. Is it the same? Is there no difference between the two? Is there a difference? And then proportion. P hat, just simply P hat is the combined pool proportion. So if one was 37 over 100, the other was 41 over 100, the pooled proportion would be 78 over 200 or 0.390. Again, you guys can use your notes. You can use past quizzes, past homework, whatnot. Anyway, that's how it's going to go. Okay. And then, folks, make sure you have this in your possession. Okay. We're probably going to have to do this exam. Yes, we will do exam. We will do exam as a take-home via, you get an email to you as well. It won't be a 2-day. You know, I'll give you, I don't know, 12 hours to do it or so forth. This will be coming more in the middle to the later part of the month. And then again, in 11 days, I promise to email you your final exam review. There's a chance that it might have to be done via this format again. That's what SLU's doing the rest of the year. I've got clear details on how to grade it and whatnot. Bunch of work needs to be shown. So on your quiz and exam, I need to see this type of work. Any shortcuts that really I could only do means we did something I don't like. Okay, we're finding a buddy and just getting those answers. Anything that doesn't show an abundance of work will receive no credit. Not even partial, no credit. I need to see an abundance of work. All right, then we'll talk later. Folks, this is Yak Math Videos, signing out.